got just a little bit longer before the winter ends, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
And just so you guys know, we are renovating a 1940s cabin that used to be used by the Zion Park Rangers.
And this is the last paint. Oh, this is the last paint we have right here. That's it. What are we gonna do?
Trying to get our way up our mountain. Subscribe and come along as we create our off-grid lifestyle.
Good morning and welcome back up to our property. Just when we thought that we weren't gonna get any more snow, nothing was on the forecast, then all of a sudden it changes and then there's 6 days straight of snow and then it changes to 5 and now it's every time it changes. But anyway, it snowed about 4 or 5 inches last night. It's still snowing. The generator is on right now, running, charging our batteries. It was overcast all day yesterday, so we're down a little bit. It's charging them back up. This winter has been just full of record-breaking snow and rain and everything like that, and it's just, and it just so happens that it's the year that we move up here. It's our first winter. We're living in a trailer, which isn't ideal. We're warm, we're prepared-ish, and we're getting through it. We got just a little bit longer before the winter ends, hopefully, fingers crossed, and then we can start our build. We still have some work to do on the cabin. The drywall is completely done. It is textured, everything is done. So now we're gonna go there today and we're gonna prime, and depending on how cold it is, if the primer dries quickly or whatever, we can prime and paint. We'll figure that out when we get down there. We're gonna get ready, all our tools ready, everything gathered up, head down the mountain.
What a slushy, crazy, snowy mess. But we're here. We are at the cabin and ready to go. You ready to go, babe? Do some more?
Let's paint this thing.
Let's paint it. And just so you guys know, we are renovating a 1940s cabin that used to be used by the Zion Park Rangers.
So we're at the cabin now. You guys didn't see it in any of our videos, but the drywall is completely done. It is textured, everything. So now we're gonna prime everything today. And depending if it dries or not and timing, we might paint it as well, but shouldn't take too long. There's nothing really to mask. Everything's masked off already. It's just be rolling super quick. And yeah, but we're excited to get this done. Then comes cabinets. So let's go. We got the primer all mixed up. We put it in the pan. We got the 9-inch roller. We're gonna start in the living room and just start there and go until it's all done. This is the primer, and then we have the paint sitting right here. And we got a couple brushes, so the wee ones are gonna help out.
The wee little kids.
The wee ones.
We're gonna take down these propane lights that are in here and we are gonna paint them black, and then we'll put some new bulbs, well, not bulbs, but glass over top of them.
If you get paint on me, little kiddos.
Well, Daddy, that's what painting is all
We forgot to brush Bubba's hair today, so sorry everybody.
Rick, that's too much paint, dude.
Did you get paint all over you?
Paint spatter.
Are you gonna get paint too, Ricky Cat?
Yep.
Okay, go get some. What are you working on, Ricky?
That wall.
That wall?
Can I tell you what's been on my
Good
mind?
job, sister.
Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note.
All right, yes, the feeling of accomplishment, the biggest room in here, the living room, kitchen, and this front room are done. It's done with prime. It's done with prime. I think we'll have to come back tomorrow to paint, but for today, prime is done, and we are headed into what's gonna be like the bunk room.
Honey, who's standing here? Who's standing here?
Here goes the last little bit of this room right here. Nick's finishing it up. Allie started going in the bathroom. How's this painting going, Daddy?
Amazing. You can't work.
You got stuff all over you right now.
I can put on my seatbelt.
Oh my gosh, your hands are cold. Are you cold, Allie Boo? Yeah? Are you cold, Daddy?
I'm hot.
Yeah, you're working hard. Better not get that paint on me. You want to start a war you can't finish? Ah, don't you dare.
Those are my bibs.
Let me see your breath. Can you see your breath?
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho. It's cold in here, right? Last room.
Last room. Ready. My shoulders are killing me.
Your shoulders are killing you and you're ready for a sandwich or something, huh?
Yeah, I'm a little hangry.
You're hangry?
Hangry.
Ooh.
And this is the last paint. Oh, this is the last paint we have right here. That's it.
Which means it has to last for a while.
It's not right now. We still have to finish the whole ceiling, that wall, and a little bit of this.
And still in the bathroom.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go steal some paint from another cabin. Tell me when, Daddy. And I'll become your robber.
Okay. Go.
Robber, shabber, dauber.
Robber, strawber, dauber.
Robber, shabber, dauber.
Okay, I'm gonna go get you some more paint. You enjoy the ceiling.
Make sure it says primer on it.
Okay. Love you, bye. You coming?
Yeah.
You coming?
Yeah.
You coming? No. Daddy's girl right there. Hanging out with you. Love you, bye. All right, we ran over to the other cabin. Got some more primer. We're gonna head back over and give it to Nick.
Acha. We're almost there.
Oh, what do you think?
I don't think it's gonna be enough. That's what I think.
I don't think it's enough. That's not enough.
Well, the snow keeps coming down, but it's not like real big snow flurries. It's the little light ones that are just creating so much mud. Getting home is gonna be a little crazy.
Ride a horse?
Oh my goodness. We need to ride a horse. We need a horse to get up our mountain today.
All right, just a little bit left.
Guys, the fog keeps getting lower and lower and lower. It's covering these mountains. We might be hitting some fog and trying to get our way up our mountain. Well, you did it. You were able to skim that last little bit.
Yeah, we actually have like a tiny bit left. Pretty much gone.
Nice.
All right, so we're gonna let this dry overnight. So tomorrow we'll come back. We got a 5-gallon bucket full of like actual paint. Hopefully that'll be enough because we did need a little bit extra to prime, and I did have, there's a few spots that are a little light. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're gonna head back up to the property, hang out.
You got paint in your mustachio.
I'm trying to grow it out.
A mustachio question.
Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna head back up to the property, and then we'll be back here tomorrow. I'm gonna say top coat because I'm used to painting like aircraft, but no, we're gonna put paint on it.
Let's do it. All right, let's go home. I'm hungry. Well, we're on our way home and we are stuck. So we are wenching our way up this mountain. It's turning for me that way.
Keep it going a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take you off this tree and I'm gonna pull you up forward like another 100 feet, and then we're gonna pull you that way so we can get out of this little rut, and then we should be good.
The good thing about wenching through here though is we're on like a solid flat surface. There's no cliffs on either side, so we all just remain calm. We let Nick do his job and we're good. All right, are you ready for me to get in the car?
No, not yet.
Okay.
All right, well, I took the winch cable out to go down to a further tree, and I pulled it too far out, so I'm having to put this cable back on, which is super fun. Okay, now come help me.
Well, the winch, for whatever reason, is not cooperating. And Nick's a little irritated. And we're gonna just have to maneuver the 4Runner around as much as we can to try and get it out of this spot. See if you can go back and forth and back and forth.
I mean, I was barely moving earlier, so look at that rut. Oh my gosh.
Punch it and see where it goes. Right, we're creeping.
Ooh, we got past that point, but now we just gotta try to stay out of these ruts, man. We get buried in those ruts, and it's like clay. Look, it's dang near impossible to stay out of them too.
They suck you in. We are back. We made it.
We made it. We did.
Thank you.
Something's
for
wrong with the
getting
winch.
us.
I'm not really sure what's going on, but anyway, we're up here. Time to eat some food and hang out and maybe wash up. I got paint all over me. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Not wash too much though, because you're gonna get paint on you tomorrow too.
Maybe. If I'm not, I don't know. Like if I can't get that winch to work, I don't know if I'm trying to go back down there tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Figure it out. It's been a few hours since we picked up the camera. I think we're gonna hang out for the rest of the night, watch some of our favorite TV shows. That's where we're gonna end this video for you guys. So hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And we'll see you guys in a few days.